Hello friends, this is Ipsitas, and in this video I'm going to show you how to remove the gel polish from your gel extension. I'll show you three processes. One with the hand file, another with the drill machine, and another process, the soak off process with acetone. I will start with my middle finger. This finger I'm going to do with acetone. So before soaking the nail into acetone, I have to remove the seal of it. What is the seal? That is the top coat. Top coat is non-porous, and even if you dip your nail for 24 hours in acetone with the top coat, your nail will never get soaked off. I mean a gel nail. I'm not talking about acrylic nail. I'm talking about gel nail. Acrylic nail के ऊपर हम और एक वीडियो बनाएंगे. So there are no shiny spots. That means all the top coat got removed. Now I will take a cotton and drench it. Remember, not soak it. You drench it up with acetone completely. And you place it over the nail. You can cover it with kitchen foil, I mean the silver kitchen foil, so that the heat the heat that will be generated will accelerate the process of soaking off. But you can use these also. These are also great. And you cap your nail and let it be there for 10 minutes. So while this soaks, I will go to this nail. Now see, I have blings over my nail. I mean on my nail I have blings. So I have to remove it first. Take a nipper and remove the blings. Now what do you do with the blings that you remove from your own hand? What I do is I preserve them so that I can use it on my hand only. My blings on my hand, I mean my nail. For client, of course, don't preserve it because the sanitization issue is there. So it's better if you don't preserve it. But for your nails, preserve it. It can be used in other nails also because they don't lose their shine. So I have removed the blings, and now I'll show you how to remove the gel polish with a hand file. Take a coarse hand file, 100 by 100 or 80 by 80, and start removing the full nail, I mean full gel polish. Give little pressure. Always remember, when you are removing a gel polish from any enhancement, give support to your nail. This process takes a little longer, but still it works. So I'm done. See, all the gel polish has gone. Now I'll come to this nail. Now I will use a medium grit file. This is a carbide bed, and will keep the speed at 15. And we'll start filing. with very less pressure. Okay, don't put pressure on this. One more thing, don't stay on one place. Go on moving it on all the places. Like if you stay on one place, it will cause heat. So you have to move it around. Now I will change the drill bit from a coarse file to a sanding band. And won't keep the speed more than 5 to 6. And we'll go to the inner edges. Don't put any pressure, please. It will automatically come out. See, done. Now let's check this nail. See, it's peeling. Either you take a cuticle pusher or this type of tool which will help you to scratch this off. I will keep it for another few minutes. Let it get drenched. And by that time, I'll complete this with my drill machine. So I have filed all the nails. Now let's check again with this nail. Yeah, maximum of the gel polish is been soaked off. Let's pull it. It became soft. This is the longest process, but the safest process. Longer the processes are, safer is the, longer the time it takes, safer is the process. Now let me tell you one thing, this is very important. The cotton which is soaked in acetone, never throw it in a dustbin, because acetone eats up plastic, or if you throw it in a garbage also, it will eat up the little bit also which touches any other thing, it will eat up. So let it be there and get itself dried. It is a volatile liquid. Acetone is a volatile liquid, you know, and let this dry first, then you throw it in a dustbin. Okay, so now I'll be taking a 180 grade file and will shape it again. Now if you want to make a nail extension, you can do it, which I will also do. I will do a video on this later, because I want to remove these gel nails and do some acrylic nails. So with this, I'll just bring back the nails into shape. Now with a buffer, I will just buff the surface. Now let me clean the dust. I will take some alcohol and wipe my nail. You can apply cuticle oil after this, but I'll be doing another design, so I'm not applying it. Just remove the dust, and if you can, just wash your hand without a soap, okay, if you want to do an extension. because soap sometimes hand washes sometimes contain oil in it. So let me clean this area. So this is the way you remove your gel polish and do any other design or refill or whatever it is. If this tutorial is helpful to you, then please do subscribe and hit the notification bell so that whenever I upload, you get notified. And the products which I have used here, I will link it down in the description. And see you in the next video. Till then, chalo, abar dekha hobe.